Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Let's try some cool soothing drink for the summer. Let's make two types of lassi, Kesar Pista Badam, that is with pistachios, almonds and saffron, and a chocolate lassi. So soak some saffron in hot milk. And let's prepare the lassi base with yogurt, powdered sugar and some cardamom powder. Mix everything really well. If your yogurt is really thick, add a little bit of water and mix. Now our lassi base is ready. You can make any flavor lassi with this base. Now into a blender, add soaked almonds, pistachios and saffron with the milk and blend it nicely. Now let's prepare the first lassi. So add first the lassi base, add the blended puree in it, mix it nicely. Once it is well combined, add rest of the yogurt and mix. And just before serving, you can add some cream with chopped almonds, pistachios and kesar, and your Kesar Pista Badam lassi is ready. Now for the chocolate lassi, add some hot milk into some chopped chocolate. And once the chocolate gets melted, let's prepare the lassi with melted chocolate and yogurt. Now instead of chocolate, you can use cocoa powder as well. These lassis are so refreshing for the summers. You can try adding different fruit purees to make fruit lassis. Here for the chocolate lassi, I added some chocolate curls. So do try both the lassis and let me know which is your favorite. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.